frank, productive and engaging is how I would summarize the experience in the CEO dialogue session today.
I personally had a great experience today, hearing both the CEOs, their perspective about HR, how did they actually evolve their organizations and what do they look at from their expectations perspective from HR organization.
It was really very good to hear CEOs of companies who are not on that trodden path. So it was good from that viewpoint. I really enjoyed myself here.
Very often when we think of problems that confront us, we have only one perspective to it and we look like a frog in the well. And this dialogue and these questions and these expectations from business of HR has opened a very new dimension to what the CEO dialogue is all about. And what are the new expectations from HR, both from the workforce as well as from the heads of those businesses.
I think the initiative what has been taken, it's good and thank you very much, and we hope so that in coming days we will be getting these kind of sessions more and more.
Well, it was really wonderful to be part of this network meeting by Corporate Shiksha, and as a DLF Foundation we were very happy to host one of the initial meetings of Corporate Shiksha. It's a wonderful initiative.
I loved what both the speakers said. I think it had huge learning of reinventing yourself after every 2 years. And as an HR professional, one thing which I learned truly today was that don't look at experiences of people, but look at the relevance of people.
All these views were great, and I think it was a great insight learning opportunities for all of us as HR fraternity. And I really take so many good inputs and learning along with me when I leave this event today. So thanks for providing this opportunity for us to be here today.
I think it's a great opportunity to come to this forum where you meet a lot of people from different line of businesses.
It's a great initiative, and I think it's benefiting the people like me, who are just learning and taking a great deal out of it. And a lot of things which you must keep in mind for the future 2020 we are talking about right now.
Thanks to Corporate Shiksha for organizing such a program, such an platform which helps growing individuals.
Firstly, congratulations for completion of 1 year. I'm sure that this is only a start. And you've done 1 year of CEO dialogue and you've started marketing insights. I'm sure you will have more such programs coming up in the future, and I'm wishing you all the luck for all your endeavors.
All the best to Corporate Shiksha, and I hope that we have such more wonderful engagements in future too.